Babe, what's up? Are you feeling it?
So you are seeing through me now like this?
Yeah, I'm seeing through you.
What are you seeing?
You are not yourself, but you're trying to be yourself. Your confidence is not from yourself, but since man must chop now, she have a lot of confidence.
What up, guys? Dark Talk is here again on your street for Pulse TV Strivia. And today we are asking, is a mosquito a domestic or a wild animal? You know the answer? All right, let's get talking.
It's a sight to behold, the young and the old. Merry Christmas.
Is a mosquito an animal?
No.
Mosquito is not an animal.
It's an animal.
Mosquito na.
No be animal.
No be animal.
A human being.
No be human being.
So what's it called?
Mosquito na animal na.
Sorry, mosquito is not an animal.
What is it?
It's a set to fly.
Okay.
No, it's a pest.
I know you guys are up to something. Is a mosquito an animal? Insect. Yeah, it's an animal.
No.
No?
Oh, no.
All right. What is it then?
Mosquito is an insect.
Okay. All right.
No, it's an insect now.
So it's not an animal, it's an insect.
It's an animal.
Are you sure now?
Yes, yeah.
Is it a wild animal or a domestic animal?
Hey. It's a wild animal. But it causes malaria now.
Domestic animal.
Why is it domestic?
It's always around us.
Domestic animal or a wild animal?
None of the above.
I'll classify it as domestic animal. God.
Why domestic?
God. Wild animal, domestic animal. Wild animal. Oh God, I need to stop this thing. I hope I'm not doing a lot of mistake here.
Why domestic?
Because you find it around us. It's around us. Anything around human is a domestic animal. If I'm right.
It should be a wild animal.
Should be a wild animal, yeah? Alright. It's not a wild animal, it's a domestic animal.
It's a domestic animal.
Why is it not domestic?
Because a domestic animal can't live with you. Mosquito lives too because it perches on you. So it lives with you. It's with you. It flies around you. So it's not harmful. Yes, that's the reason why it's not a domestic animal.
How? Do you love your neighbor as yourself?
Yes. Yes.
Let's spell neighbor then.
Neighbor.
Neighbor.
I should spell it. N-E. Am I right? Okay. Please, I should spell neighbor.
Yes, please.
Why?
Because you love your neighbor like you love yourself.
Yeah, I love my neighbor.
Okay, so help us spell neighbor.
It doesn't mean that I have to spell neighbor. Why must I spell neighbor?
Neighbour. I'll be Neigh. BOR.
Neighbor. Neighbor. As in, I forgot to, like, seriously. You understand?
Neighoou. Okay, let me start again. Neighbour.
Okay, NEIGHBOUR.
Oh yeah, how they take spell neighbor?
My neighbor, they do good for me. Anything I like, they do them for me.
So how they spell neighbor? How they spell neighbor?
Spell labor. They can spell labor. This one wala. Me say I don't hide like this. Neighbor. Hey. N-E-I N-E-I-G-H-B-O-U-R neighbor.
All right.
NEIGHBOUR. NEBI. Neighbor. Oh,
Okay. Are you unique?
Sorry, yeah, I'm unique.
What makes you unique?
Because I see through people and people cannot see through me. That is why I'm unique. I'm one of a kind. Yes. Yeah. Babe, what's up? Are you feeling it?
So you are seeing through me now like this?
Yeah, I'm seeing through you.
What are you seeing?
You are not yourself, but you're trying to be yourself. Your confidence is not from yourself, but since man must chop now, she have a lot of confidence. What she's doing right now is not her. It's because of money. That is what she's doing. Yeah. What do you think?
He's good, people. He's good. Look for him. He's good.
This if you have 2 fingers. Yeah.
Too much.
Like, there are some things that, like, I think there are some things people have that, like, I don't have, and there's some things I have that they don't have.
All right. So how do you spell unique?
UNIQUE.
UNQUIE.
UNIQUE.
UNIQUA.
So what's the color of your sweat?
The color of my sweat. That's no color. That's no color now.
Are you sure?
Yes.
It doesn't have color now. Doesn't have color.
Are you sure?
It doesn't have color. This water does not have color, so I sweat it doesn't have color.
Color of my sweat? Sweat is colorless.
Which kind of money be that one? Why didn't you tell me like that? No.
What's the color of your sweat?
Not. Sweat is colorless. Of course, it's colorless.
All right. What's the color of your sweat?
My sweat. I don't know the color of my sweat.
You know the same.
I know the sound.
So you do like this. You
Mm.
know the same.
I know the sound for do.
Wow. It does not have weight. It does not have color. It should be transparent.
All right.
No. Does it have color? No, it depends. Sweat does not have color. Trust me.
My sweat. Wow, this is crazy, man. The color of my sweat.
When you do like this.
Yes.
What's the color?
Wow. That should be watercolor.
I don't know.
When you do like this.
I guess you can answer that.
When you do like this. When you're sweating, you do like this. What's the answer?
Kind of salty.
Alright, that's a color. Salty color. That's cool. Alright, thank you. The only time my sweat has a color is when I'm wearing my fake face right now. Can you see? Yeah, if I start dripping now, you see it'll be like brown, pink, or red sometimes. Anyways, my sweat is transparent. I'm sure yours is as well. If it isn't, drop the color in the comment section below. And of course, what makes me unique? Come on, I'm dark chalk. Do you know another dark chalk? No? Yeah, I'm the only one. There's only one Strivia diva, and that is I. Let me know what makes you unique. Drop in the comments below. And until the next time, this has been Pulse TV Strivia.